God is good wherever I go. God is good. I'm never alone. Wherever I go, you lead me home. Not because the night was gentle, not because the road was clear, not because I felt no trembling, but because you met me here. When the silence grew around me, when the dark was all I'd known, I found grace beneath my breathing. I was never on my own. Be strong, my soul, do not be shaken. Even if you are close, God is good. Not because I was safe, but because I was never alone. I was never alone. Through the fear, through the unknown, you were with me. Wherever I go, God is good. I'm never alone. Wherever I go, you lead me home. Not because the dawn came quickly, not because I saw the way, not because my hands stopped shaking, but because you chose to stay.